how to create AI reports using Artifacts by Databox. First, open your web browser and go to the official Databox website. Sign into your account or create one if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, click AI Analyst or New Report, depending on the current interface. Then describe the report you want to generate. For example, type Create a monthly marketing performance report, highlighting website traffic, conversions, top performing channels, and key recommendations. Then click Generate. Artifacts by Databox will analyze your connected data and automatically create a report with charts, performance summaries, trends, and AI-generated insights. Review the report and customize it if needed. You can edit the title, add or remove sections, adjust the date range, or include additional metrics before sharing it. Finally, click Share, Export, or Save to distribute your report or keep it for future reference. That's it. You've successfully created an AI report using Artifacts by Databox. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials, business tools, and easy